Okay, Southern Specialties. My order has arrived. Let's proceed. Alright. Ooh. Got some shrink wraps. Nice. Oh boy. Wow. Aaron outdid himself. Southern Specialties outdid themselves. Yeah. Look at these wave handles. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, that is really nice. Okay, so that was just unboxing. I gotta go through some of this stuff before I even start to tell everybody what it is. But in first impressions, unbelievable. Just wild, wonderful tools here. Hooks, rakes, half diamonds, all kinds of fun, all kinds of fun. And a very nice case, too. More to come.